I don't know how to use this shit.
One thing I'm trying to understand, like, how do you like put it together in terms of like?
I don't even know, bro. I feel like someone might have already wrote this. I feel like someone might have had to have already wrote it, unless like they programmed it to write only like one response, or a few.
Yeah.
Because it can only give you so many.
100%.
Because it's all coded in, like it isn't a real human, so. Money on my mind.
Matter of fact, he makes the beat. You could just match that flow to the beat. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, like that's what I don't know. Should we like get the lyric? Like we got the lyrics already. Should we try to make a beat that will flow with this? Or like I didn't know what to go with.
I would say if you make a basic beat, then you go on that, and then you could help match the flow with that.
I mean, it's up to you, kids. There's
Just make some basic shit. Make something that's easy to rap on.
Yeah, and if you have to make it more crazy, go from
too complex. Yeah.
Sure. All right, so now we're gonna make a beat from scratch, which is very tough to do. So that's why I came here, man. The best producer in the DMV. Hey, Dazel.
Ignore that.
Hey, yo, I don't know, I like this sound figure. I'm the king of the trap.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna wait.
Ain't no one better.
And no one better.
Yeah.
I'm the king of the trap.
Yeah.
And no one better.
Yeah.
got racks on the racks. Come on, money on the lock. I'm living lavish. And no one gonna stop me. I'm making moves.
I ain't trying to add too much to it because I'm trying to keep it simple. I'll show you the other tag.
I spit how I follow the dragon. Leave the competition lagging. I'm a mastermind. Leave the MCs behind. They try to stop my grind. Could never stop my shine. I'm the king of the mic. Never fall off. I'm always climb. I'm a rap, my superstar. Leaving the haters behind in the bars. I got run for days. Never run a thing to say. I'm a real deal, no fake stuff. I'm the one you can't get enough.
Trap. No, trap GPT. You know what I'm saying? Like, trap. Yeah, you don't think about trap. Trap. Trapping a trap, GPT. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying. Like, oh my, yeah, I just saw that live, bro. Like, inspiration.
Trap GPT.
Trap GPT. Think about it. Trap GPT.
You guys call the song Trap GPT.
Yeah, no, yeah. Nah, for real. We're gonna call it Trap GPT. Yo, that's fire, bro. That's fire. No, I swear to God, that's fire. Alright, so now we're getting closer to recording the song. You guys saw how Adezo made the beat in like 5 minutes, you know. Crazy. 5 minutes, the beat was done. We're the one taking forever, but we're gonna hop on the mic real quick. Mag gotta go first, and then I'm going after, and then we'll give you the best, you know.
No curse?
No cursing now, no cursing. We gotta keep it PG-13.
Yeah. I spit this shit like a dragon. Leave the competition lagging. I'm a rap mastermind. Leave the MCs behind. Hit on me, that's alright. I got these rhymes for days. Always got things to say. Wait, how's it sounding though? Yeah, I spit this shit like a dragon. Leave the competition lagging. I'm a rap mastermind. Let's go.
I know you heard that beat switch.
Yeah, that's how I felt the vibe.
You were feeling
I felt the vibe.
I'm the king of the trap and no one better. Got racks on racks, my money on luck. I'm living lavish, no one stopping me from living. Messed up. I'm the king of the trap and no one better. Got racks on racks, got money on luck. I'm living lavish and no one stopping and making a move and no one flocking me.
I come at you like a bullet, fast and loud. Spitting that fire, leave you in the crowd. I'm on a mission, can't nobody bring me down. I'm moving forward, can't turn it back now. One more time.
You leave this one?
Yeah, the last one. Yeah.
That's fire.
That's fire.
Right. You guys are ready?
Y'all ready?
They wrote their hook though.
You guys are ready?
I get something.
You don't press play that shit,
bro. Hold on.
Hold on. Alright, let's go.
It's all.
Yeah. I spit this shit like a dragon. Leave the competition lagging. I'm a rap mastermind. Leave the MCs behind. They try to stop my grind, but never stop my shine. I'm nice on the mic, using AI to trap. I'm always spitting facts. Hit on me, that's alright. I got these rhymes for days. Always got things to say. I'm really him, no cap. Putting GPT on the map. Trap GPT. Trap GPT. Trap GPT. Let's go.
I'm the king of the trap and no one better. Got racks on racks, my money on luck. I'm living lavish and no one's stopping. I'm making moves and no one's flocking. I'm on my grind, I'm never gonna fade. I'm on the mission, telling no lie. I'm the one you call when you need to get paid. So come take a ride with me.
Trap GPT. Trap GPT. Trap GPT.
Smack like a bullet, fast and loud. Spitting that fire, leave you in the crowd. I'm on a mission, can nobody bring me down. I'm moving forward, ain't no turning back now. I'm on a roll, ain't stopping me now. Going too fast, you can't slow me down. I get too much money, but don't try to borrow. Climb to the top like it's Kilimanjaro.
Trap GPT. Trap GPT. Trap GPT. Trap GPT. Trap GPT. Trap GPT. Let's go. Crazy.
You ain't expect that, You killed it. He like, I'm like,
Bro, his take was like, he did that shit like 2-3 times.
bro.
I had to cut mine.
I'm really when I say I'm him, I really mean it. When I say I'm him, I really mean it. They had a song.
I'm telling you, bro, we really went on.
Like trash.
It's not great, but
The thing is, I improvised that.
Raw. It's like
That part, I improvised it.
everything in it flatlined or nothing like that.
Yeah.
The chorus is fine.
Yeah, it's like
ChatGPT is
crazy.
It's clever as
sticks
fuck.
to your head.
It's clever.
It sticks to your head.
The trash.
But that's the other thing. The producer, he's really good.
Yeah.
We made the beat on the spot.
The production is really good.
Anybody?
I'm gonna give credit where.
That's how we do. That's how we do, bro.
Thank you.
Hey,
Already know the vibes.
another one for at the crib.
Already know the vibes.